And welcome back to Vlogmas day 3. And if this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Janine, and I'm currently doing Vlogmas, which if you don't know, it's a vlog every single day for the month of December from December 1st until the 25th. But I'm doing a little bit differently because I work 24-hour shifts every so often, so I can't film on those days, but that's okay. I would like to firstly apologize for skipping 2 days in a row. I was only planning on missing 1 day, but unfortunately I was at work for 32 hours. It was terrible. Came home, roommate drama, not in the mood for it. I did not want to pick up the camera. I just wanted to eat and go to sleep. I was over it. So we're gonna do a very fun video today to make up for it. I'm gonna be doing a mystery unboxing again. I know a lot of people commented that they loved the Halloween decor one that I did for YouTuber, which, if you didn't know, I filmed 8 or 9 Halloween themed and fall themed videos back in October. Go check those out if you have not seen them. But first, I am going to open this box because I do know what this one is, but it's an early Christmas present that I got from my grandpa, and I figured I'd open it for you guys because, why not? So this is a sleeping bag. I am so beyond excited. Is this too bright? I feel like this is too bright. Better, okay. But I got a sleeping bag. It's like an Alaskan sleeping bag for 0-degree weather. I am so excited about it. I don't know if I just mentioned it, but if I didn't already, I'm in the military and my ship is currently in the yards. So not everything is working properly right now, and right now the berthing is just blasting cold air, and it's 30 degrees in there, and I'm always freezing and shaking and I can't get sleep, which when I only really get very few hours of sleep already when I'm there, I would like to be able to actually sleep when I am in bed. And now I can do that better because now I have a very good sleeping bag. So that was an early Christmas present. But these things, I got this huge box that is a Christmas blanket. Looks like that. And I am so excited about this. I love blankets so much. I love anything warm and cozy. This little tree, it matches my little mini, where's my mini tree? Where's my mini tree? I got 2 of these little mini trees at the dollar store. I don't even know if you can see this. And it's the same thing. I absolutely love that. So cute. Put that back and I'll find you a place later. So later on we can decorate if you feel like it. Ooh, I feel a tree. It feels like a tree. Ooh. This is so pretty, and it's getting glitter everywhere, but also kind of love that for me. This is so pretty. I don't know about this, but I like it. It's glittery, and it looks like there's snow all over it. That's so cute. Oh, and the pillow was $9.97, or not the pillow, the blanket was $9.97 that I can see. This tree, does it have a tag? She was $4, and this tree was $30. If my mom remembers where she got this stuff, I will definitely ask and try to put it in the description box. Candles, perfect, because I haven't bought any candles yet. This smells like, it's called cinnamon stick. Oh, just cinnamon stick. Yeah, it smells like Red Hots. Oh, it smells so good. And this was $5.99. I didn't even show it. Maybe I can see it better, but this is cinnamon stick. Whatever. I think this is also a candle because it feels the exact same. And this one is peppermint candy cane. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells like sweet, but also like a candy cane. It smells like a candy cane dipped in vanilla. I got a blanket. I love blankets. And this is the super soft plush. I think you can get these at Walmart. Oh, and they're so soft. Mm. Hello. And lastly, in this box, we have this. I don't know what this is. Is this a sheet set? Cute. I think it's a flannel sheet set, and it's got little pine cones on it. That's so cute. I don't know how much this is because there's no price on it. That's it for that box. Make sure to recycle. Oh, wait. All that stuff was from Michael's. I have the receipt right here. Yeah, this one I think my grandma packaged up, so. These are so pretty. There's a little, like, lights. Are they batteries? Is there a battery in them? Pretty, they've got glitter. These would be so cute to put on the dining room table. Too bad, because this year I am not decorating the house. Or not this year, but, like, I decorated the entire house for Halloween and fall. I am not doing that for Christmas. So I'm just decorating my room, but I will definitely find a place for those. Oh, cute. Another cookie jar. My grandma collects cookie jars. And this is a cute little frosty cookie jar. It's so cute. Ooh. Him's okay. I have carpet. Oh, cute. And this is from Cracker Barrel. And I think we've got some ornaments from Bronner's. I feel like that's just a Michigan thing. Not sure. Oh, that's so cute. It says, I love my pit bull. And it has Zuko's name on it. I think this is for my roommate. So I'm going to wrap it back up and call my grandma and ask if this is for me or if it's for my roommate. Because if you guys didn't know, the dog that is in a lot of my vlogs, that's not my dog. That's my roommate's dog. But I love him a lot. He's very sweet. Cute! It's a little otter! I love otters. I have dubbed otters as my favorite animal. I used to never pick a favorite animal because I love all animals equally. But this past year, well, probably past 2 years, I have decided that otters are my favorite animal. They are just so cute. Oh, I love that. Let's put you up here. Perfect, him's right there. Oh, you can only kind of see him, but he's right there. And we've got a makeup vanity. My grandma got me one kind of like this that I put over on that tree, so I'm gonna stick this over on that one. Also, if you didn't see, I have 3 trees in my room, so make sure to check out Vlogmas Day 1 and 2 if you missed those. Oh, and another makeup one. Wow, this brush, I literally have a brush that looks exactly like that. But we've got another makeup one. These are so cute. And that's it for that box. And so that's all the unboxing we are going to do for today's vlog. But there's plenty more vlog to go. I for sure need to do laundry and we'll decorate, put this stuff up, do lots of fun things. It's Friday, so I don't have to wake up at 2:30 in the morning tomorrow. So I can stay up later than 8 p.m. tonight. So I think I figured out where I'm going to put all of this stuff. And let's decorate it. So I figured we first start with the easy stuff. Obviously, the colorful ornaments are going to be going over here. And this is the one that I got last year. That was about makeup. Oh, you're too big. Let's put you... There we go. We've got this one. Now, I guess all the makeup ones are going to be going on the same side, which I don't like to do. I also don't feel like moving everything around on this one, so oh well. Yeah, that looks more even. And then we've got the 3 white. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, now, there's something I'd like to try out. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I currently have this setup for my makeup brushes. I just have them in mugs. I got a fall mug, which needs to be switched out anyways. And please don't judge me. Yes, I need to wash my brushes. I know, I am aware. I will wash them maybe this weekend. Probably not, but we'll find out. Keep me accountable in the comments. But I could put this little, like, it's a cookie jar, but like, what if it was a makeup brush holder? And then I could just cover my makeup brushes when I'm not using them. Let's see how that works. I feel like this is such a cute idea in theory, and like, they fit, but it doesn't go back on top. Like, I feel like I shouldn't just have him, like, in half. I don't know. I feel like that looks dumb. Okay, but are you busy right now? I need your opinion on a decoration choice. Okay, so I need your opinion on this. That's cute. But I can't decide because, like, him's head off. It doesn't fit. I feel like him's cut in half.
He's okay with it. Look, he's happy about it. He doesn't mind.
Okay.
I think it's cute. I don't mind. He doesn't mind. I think we're good.
Okay. And then we'll figure out something for in front.
Yeah.
So now for over here. Right now we don't have anything holiday yet. Except for this candle, which I will tag my friend Kayla down in the description. She just started an Etsy shop where she makes candles with her mom, and she has these little ones and then she has big ones. And so I got this one, but it's time to do more festive decoration. So I was thinking maybe this next to the bamboo, not hanging off the side. So maybe you there. Behind, possibly. Oh, hello. Hello, sir. Hello. But maybe I should go behind because we've also got these candles that can go here. Okay, now that I've moved that around 10 times, we're just gonna leave it here and figure out another time. If you have an opinion, put it in the comments below. Next, we've got over here. If you guys saw my last vlog, I hung up my stocking. My mom put some of my presents in there. But we've got this little tree that I got at the dollar store, which is the exact same kind of tree as this tall one. So now I kind of want to see if these can go together on the same little, whoop, not in frame. If these can go together on the same little shelf. Like, that can be cute, but also I don't like the white on the off-white of the wall. I feel like it just looks weird, but I guess we'll leave it for now. And then over here, I've got this crystal that I can move next to this one. A little. Boop. We can stick you here for now. I guess that will work, at least for now. Now, wide angle. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Hello, so I have changed, and it was just way too hot in here for that. But now at this point, we need to finish decorating this tree. So, we've got these. My mom was nice enough, she went through and put all the strings on it, if you guys didn't see in the last video. And then I think I'm just going to use this as the star on top of the tree. And then we've got some more snowflakes that I didn't end up putting on the other trees. It's just like a perfect background to have. But I am going to wrap some presents. I'm not going to show them in this vlog because if you want to check out my Ross haul, some of it was bought there, some of it I haven't shown anyone yet. But I know that like a lot of people that were getting these presents watch my videos, so I'm not going to make another video that they can't watch. But keep an eye out because in a future vlog and video you guys will see what I'm wrapping, but I'm just gonna skip over this part of the day. Oh, I totally just woke up from a nap, but didn't actually set an alarm, so it's now 11:40 at night. Woke up to all this stuff that my mom went shopping for me since I can't go anywhere. So stay tuned for Vlogmas tomorrow. I'll do a haul of it. And I think there's like Christmas decorations in it, so I'll put them up. And then planning on doing a Christmas movie marathon in pajamas, like the Halloween one. So make sure to like this video if you liked it. Comment down below letting me know. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when the upload comes up tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.